Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing.
In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the sights, sounds, and the feels of living in the Arizona desert full time. So come along.
The desert is not what I was expecting at all. The desert is barren, but it's very unique and it's very beautiful.
There's this feeling of just open-endedness. It just goes and it goes and it goes, and it's almost like it doesn't belong to anyone. So it's just this no man's land of just being out here.
And while it's dry and barren, it's also really beautiful. You can see dust particles in the air. You see them coming in through the window. You see them shining in the sun, and you see them blowing in the wind. The desert is cold. It's really cold at night.
The desert is community. The desert is friends, the desert is family. It's getting along together, working as a cohesive unit to make sure that everybody's okay, and just like the plants out here that are just surviving, just working to survive another winter, another summer, another spring, another fall. The people out here do the same thing. Everybody takes care of everybody else, and it's just this amazing feeling. It's a rugged place to just explore, and everywhere you look around you, there's just land and mountains.
The desert is very dusty. Everywhere you go, there's dust. It's dry. You walk through dust. You breathe in the dust. The thing I like the most about the desert is that it's safety right now for us. We found a place where we can escape the winter. And we found a place where we can escape the 9 to 5. We found a place where we can escape society in a way.
violent. Everything's sharp. Everything is made to protect itself and to go after other things. The desert is just this brown, dry, dead, but yet is still alive. Just being out here is makes you feel alive, makes me feel alive. Yeah, it's just an amazing place.
What do you want to do now?
I don't know.
How about some supper?
Okay, let's go eat.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching another episode of the Border Hookups Go RVing, and please remember to subscribe and to ding that bell so that we can let each and every one of you know as to when we have a new episode coming out.
If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up and place a comment below and let us know what you thought about this episode. We hope to see you out there.
And we'll see you out there.